crop tool on each one of these, and I want to crop these images very specifically. I want to go to my crop tool, which is right here, and as by default, the crop tool is pretty much a free form tool, meaning that we can crop at any size. I'm just clicking and dragging. You can also drag the image over and crop that way. You can grab these corners. Notice that your crop tool by default is set up into the rule of thirds, and that's what these lines are. And that's to help you better compose your piece if it ever comes to that. And we'll play around with that in future class exercises. But for now, we want to constrain this in a way that we don't have as much freedom, but it will allow us to be consistent. I want to change up in my options bar from ratio to width, height by resolution, W times H times resolution. And then I want to type in to these blanks 100 px, which is pixels, by 100 px at 72 pixels per inch. Now I'm just hitting tab so I can scroll through these, but you can see what this has done. This has helped constrain our crop to be a perfect square of 100 pixels by 100 pixels. And no matter how big our image is, it will always crop to 100 pixels by 100 pixels at 72. So we may have saved images online that were 72 pixels per inch. Some images that you may find are 150 pixels per inch. If you're really lucky, you may get one that's 300 pixels per inch. A really good quality image that's 300 pixels per inch. And this way, if we use this cropping method of 100 pixels by 100 pixels at 72 pixels per inch, it doesn't matter what image you have or what the resolution is, it will always end up being 100 pixels by 100 pixels at 72 pixels per inch. I'm going to go ahead and hit double click, and you can see how tiny this ends up being. I'm going to expand this tab here. And this is at 100%. So that's how big it is after we've cropped it. I'm going to crop some more. And I kind of want to keep all these faces inside my crop. So I'm going to double click, and there's another one. And I'm just going to stack these results next to each other. Go over to my next one, crop again. I got some little fish in there too. That's okay. We got the face. Go to my next one. I'm going to do the rest of these, and I will see you back in a minute.